Hello, everyone. Today, I want to talk to you about a few more Terraform interview questions that come up. I hope that will help you get through the interviews for DevOps and SRE roles. Um, Also, if you're new to this channel, please like and subscribe. That helps me with the YouTube algorithm. So the first question I want to talk to you to tell you about today is, what if you had a big organization and you had 20 people working on the same code base for Terraform? What problems can you possibly get out of that? Uh, a good set of answers for that is there are two main problems that comes with it. One is that Terraform uses the state file, right? And if multiple people are writing to it at the same time, then you're going to have a problem because one can write the other's updates. So the two ways to solve that problem is, one is to first of all have a remote state, so you don't people don't keep the state file locally on the machine anymore, like an S3 bucket or something. The second one is you use a lock mechanism for the state file, so not two people can override write to at the same time. The other problem that comes from multiple people using Terraform is people can override the code itself, the code base itself. That is no different than any other code base problem. So you would solve that problem using 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 codes code version control and branching strategies, just like you would do on any other development platform. Going forward with the next question, what if you have several people on Terraform and you notice that something got changed in AWS resources? How would you find out who had done it, right? So the answer to that question is, you can do it through a service called CloudTrail on AWS that tracks all the changes in your cloud. So you could use that, and that is if the change was done on the console. If the change was done through Terraform, a code base, then of course it will be part of what's on the code base. It's a much easier thing to track down. Another question I want to talk to you is, what if you have a module that you're currently using in Terraform? Now you made a new version of that module, and some of the code base that uses that module is no longer compatible with the version update that you made on your module. How can you solve that problem? The way to do that is you can have multiple versions of a module, and when the caller code calls the module, it can refer to an older version specifically instead of just latest. So if you do that, then the caller code that is not compatible with the current version can still use the old version, and everybody else will continue to use the latest version of your Terraform module. So I hope you found these questions and answers useful. I will continue to do more videos on Terraform questions and answers. Also, these questions come from a repo that I already have, so I will leave a link to that repo so you can refer to it in a written format as well. So I will see you in the next Terraform interview questions video.